How to adjust automatic wing mirrors. On the driver's side door panels you will find the buttons with the letter L and R, and a circle pad with 4 directions: up, down, left hand side and right hand side. If you want to adjust the right hand side mirror, just press R. If you want to adjust the left side mirror, then press L instead of R. Let's see how it works in practice. When I press up arrow, then the outside wing mirror going up, down and going down. And exactly the same with the left side wing mirror and the right side wing mirror. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe and comment. See you next time. Cheers, bye.